I got a nice DeWALT mechanic set, and let's take a look. And a large box is quite heavy. Here's a nice tip. When you open up this package, the logo must face up or the sockets will fall out. This mechanic set contains a good mix of most frequently used ratchet, sockets, wrenches, hex keys, and driving bits and driver nuts. 1/4-inch adapters. A very nice box. Just keep in mind, don't flip it up this way. Always close it up like this. Otherwise these sockets will fall out. There's no very tight fit. Okay, let's go over these tools. We got lots of deep sockets here in the size of metric and imperial or /SAE type. Very, very high quality sockets, deep sockets. The size are clearly laid out on both sides. There are 3 sizes of different wrenches. This is a 1/4-inch, 3/8 inch, and a 1/2 inch. The build quality is amazing. Look at this. 72 teeth. The spinner handle, 1/4-inch. You can just use it directly with these things without any adapter, or you can use the included adapter right here with the nut drivers. And there's a hole here. I believe you can put in something like a handle to increase the torque. Everything is clearly labeled, all the size. These are extensions to increase the reach. Imperial size and metric size, different wrenches. Specialty tools, again, the imperial size and metric. Very well organized. Probably one of the most commonly used tool when I'm adjusting my bike or adjusting the tension of my monitors. Driver bits can be used with the spinner handle with the adapter. They can also be used with the ratchet to increase the torque. Again, with the 1/4-inch adapter. Use it like so. That's a lot of torque. Or use it in very, very tight spaces because because there is only like 2 inches long. So this is an extremely versatile set. You can do a lot of things with it. Metal latches